How to start selling on Facebook Marketplace. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of menu. Once you land to the menu page, click on the option of Marketplace. After you open the Marketplace, now here you will see the option of Sell. Click on it. Click on Create Listing. Different options will appear. You can sell items, vehicles or homes for sale or rent. Select the option of your choice. I'm going to select items. Now you have to fill this. You will need to provide all the details of the item that you want to sell. First you can add the photos. Your gallery will open up. Select the picture and click on Done. Now give a title. Then type in the price. Likewise, select the category. Likewise, select the condition. If you want to add anything to your item, you can type in the description box. Then you can edit the location. Likewise, if you want to add more details, click on this option. From listing options, you can customize hide from trends, list in more places, and additional listing options. Once you check all the details and customize all these settings, at the top right corner you will find the option of Publish. Click on it. Your item is in the process to be uploaded. Once it has been uploaded in the marketplace, if people are interested in your item, you will get the DM. Well, this way you can easily start selling on Facebook Marketplace. This was really simple and quick process. By following the same steps, you can upload other items in the Facebook Marketplace. Well, that's a wrap for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.